Hi, for today's virtual story time, we are going to read How to Find an Elephant. It's written by Kate Banks, and we're reading it with permission from Macmillan Books. How to Find an Elephant by Kate Banks. The best time to look for an elephant is on a dull day, when clouds hover on the horizon, looking like spaceships, and you're thinking up something to do. The best place to find an elephant is in the wild. You will need to pack some food and a pair of binoculars. You may want to take a flute and bring a blanket, one that's tasseled and brightly collared with a story woven through the cloth to tell the elephant. The first thing you will want to do is climb to the top of the nearest tree. Take out your binoculars and look for something large and gray. If you don't see an elephant, then you will have to go into the jungle. Keep an eye out for elephant footprints. They look like this. But don't expect to hear the elephant's footsteps, because elephants walk on tiptoe. When you get thirsty, stop at a watering hole for a drink. While you are there, you can take a dip. And don't forget that elephants are fine swimmers. If you come to a house, knock on the door and politely say, "Has anyone seen an elephant?" And if no one has, then go deeper into the jungle. It may start to rain, but you can take shelter under a large leaf. While you wait out the storm, play a tune on your flute. And by now, you are bound to be hungry, so find a soft, shady spot and have your lunch. In case an elephant decides to join you, gather some bamboo shoots and tree bark for the elephant to eat. You will need plenty because elephants have big appetites. No pizza or chips, please. At some point, you will probably bump into a chimpanzee. If you are feeling brave, ask if you can swing on its vine. Be sure to jump off if you see an eagle's nest, and ask the eagle to carry you over the trees to the edge of the jungle. When you get there, take a good look around, and if you happen to spot something big and gray, tiptoe closer. You'll want to see if it's an elephant or not. If it's not an elephant, then you'll just have to keep looking. And if you begin to feel tired, go to the top of a hill that has long, lush grass swaying in the breeze, and some crickets to sing you to sleep. Spread out your blanket and lie down. Remind yourself to have sweet dreams of elephants. If you should be wakened by the ground shaking, what is that? And find yourself wrapped in a hug and lifted toward the sky, then you will know that an elephant has found you. The end.